In moments of uncertainty, the strength of a nation shines the brightest. When the situation around us began to change, many families wondered what the days ahead would look like.
At first, I was a little scared. I didn't know what was going to happen.
But in the UAE, reassurance came quickly.
Our focus was simple. We wanted our children to keep learning and feel supported every single day.
So the journey adapted. Therapists trained. Teams came together. Plans were made so learning could continue. Distance learning began, bringing therapy and education into homes across the city. And when the time came, another step forward was taken. Therapists began conducting home sessions, bringing personalized support directly to each child.
Our team worked tirelessly behind the scenes to prepare everything our therapists and students would need.
Materials were carefully prepared and delivered to therapists, so every child could continue their progress. Transport was coordinated across the city so therapists could reach their students.
Seeing our students again reminded us why this work matters so much.
This commitment is possible because we live in a country that values safety, compassion, and progress.
We are so grateful to the leaders of United Arab Emirates for building up this nation where families, children, educators all feel secure and supported.
In the UAE, our children feel safe and supported.
We are proud to live and work in a country which protects its people.
Because we feel safe here, our children can keep learning and growing.
I'm thankful for the opportunity this country gives us.
I feel a strong sense of belonging here.
Thanks to our leaders, Your Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan and Your Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid.
كمواطنة إماراتية أشعر بالفخر كيف أن دولتنا تجمع الناس دائما وتقف صفا واحدا في دعم شعبها.
And we remain thankful to those who guide and protect this country every day. Because of their leadership and protection, our children can continue to learn, grow, and dream.